I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a practice test for you on transformation of functions. Question 1. The function f of x has been transformed to f of kx. Determine the value of k for each transformation. Horizontal stretch 4 times, horizontal compression 4 times, horizontal reflection, and compression 4 times. You can pause the video, answer, and then check with my solution. Horizontal stretch 4 times, k should be 1 over 4, right? So in this case, k should be 1 over 4. When it is compression by 4 times, then k is 4. Horizontal reflection means minus k. Compression 4 times means 4. So k equals to minus 4 in this particular case, right? So these are the solutions. Thank you.